Understanding server logs for problem solving. Server logs are one of the most valuable tools available to system administrators and IT professionals. They act like a black box of your server, recording everything that happens, from user activity and system events to application errors and security warnings. By learning how to read and understand server logs, you can quickly identify and solve problems, improve performance, and strengthen security. What are server logs? Server logs are files that record events and actions on a server. Each log entry typically includes a timestamp, a log level, such as info, warning, or error, and a message describing what happened. These logs are automatically generated by the operating system, web servers like Apache or Nginx, applications, databases, and other server components. There are many types of server logs, including system logs, track operating system activities. Web server logs show requests, errors, and user access. Application logs record app-specific events and exceptions. Security logs log login attempts, firewall activity, and suspicious behavior. Database logs show queries, errors, and performance issues. Why are server logs important for problem solving? When something goes wrong, such as a server crash, a slow-loading website, or failed login attempts, logs provide the clues you need to investigate and fix the issue. Some common uses of server logs include identifying the cause of errors or application crashes, monitoring system performance and resource usage, tracking user activity to troubleshoot access issues, detecting security threats like brute force attacks or unauthorized access, finding patterns or recurring issues to prevent future problems. By reviewing the logs, you can pinpoint exactly when and where an issue occurred and what might have triggered it. How to read and use server logs effectively. Know where to find logs. Logs are usually stored in specific system folders. For example, on Linux servers, logs are commonly found in /var/log/. On Windows, you can use the Event Viewer to access system logs. Understand log levels. Most logs include severity levels, such as info, general system information, warning, something unexpected but not a failure, error, a serious issue that needs attention, critical, a failure that could impact system operations. Use log monitoring tools. Tools like Logwatch, Graylog, Splunk, or ELK-Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana can help you search, filter, and visualize logs in real time. Look for patterns and timestamps. Pay attention to the time of errors and the events that occurred just before them. This can help trace the root cause.